My husband. Husband. Honey?
How are you?
Fine, you're welcome.
What took you so long to open the door?
Okay.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. You're welcome.
Is there any problem?
No, sorry, I was sleeping upstairs.
Okay.
Yes, you're welcome.
That's wonderful. I just had a long stressful day. Oh my God. Oh.
Honey, let's go upstairs so you rest.
Upstairs?
Yes.
No. I just want to relax here and I can cool my mind and I just have a little rest. Oh yes. No problem. Just drop my bag. Oh my God.
Are you not tired? You came back from a long journey now. Let's go upstairs so you rest.
But I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining. I'm fine. I just want to sit in the parlor and Okay. Is there any problem? Are you okay?
No problem.
The way you are panicking and I hope everything is fine.
No, everything is fine.
All right.
You want to rest here, right?
Yes, I want to rest here. Please, can I just ask you a question?
Okay, fine.
I want you to give me accurate answer to this question. And the question is this: why on earth would I be struggling to make our home a peaceful one? Vying for what we eat, working tirelessly hard all the time, in the morning and afternoon. And for me to come back in this house, to see you bringing in a man in my house. Why? Oh yes, why?
A man?
No, don't just give me that question. I need a accurate answer to this question. Why will you bring in a man, another man?
Honey, wait, so let me ask you a question. Are you talking about me or some other person? Like me, your wife? Me, your wife, bringing another man into our matrimonial...
Where is the man you brought into this house?
Never will I. Never will I, your wife, cheat on you. See, I swear with anything I have, with all my father's property, with everything I own in this life, I've never ever cheated on my husband.
Can you shut up?
My love.
Can you shut up? So this is what you do?
Babe, calm down.
No, this is what you do.
Babe, I'm sure you had a stressful day now. Well, why are you shouting, babe? I'm not cheating on you, I swear. Baby, I swear, I'm not cheating on you.
You're not cheating on me, right?
Yes, I know what I'm saying.
Right, I want to show you something. Just hold on.
Hey, babe.
Hey! I say, hold on. Hey! Come here! Who is this? Me? No, who is this?
Okay.
Listen, hey, so who are you? What are you doing in my house with this kind of your hair that is soaking here? You brought in that is soaking, second that is soaking in my house.
Honey?
I actually came to fix something, sir.
Okay, you came to fix something.
Did you tell me I came to fix?
You came to fix my wife.
Baby.
No.
So you are fixing my wife.
Simply fix your wife. Sorry, sir.
Okay.
I came to fix your light and...
Okay, the light
Yes,
and the
yes, and the toilets. Exactly.
Now listen to me. Do you know why I will spare you? I will spare you because I know vividly that you are useless. But the next time I will see you in my house, you will have yourself to be blamed.
Of course, I will.
Now get out. Hey, come back. Did you touch my wife?
Why would I touch? I just came to fix. I was only touching the door. I was only sorry, sir.
You are touching the door.
Useless.
Touching the door.
Sorry, sir.
Get out. Get out. So this is what you do.
Yes, no.
After going out there, hustling for our own good, you will sit down here, plotting different kind of men in my house, bringing them here. All right, now listen to me. Are you hearing me now?
Yes, I'm hearing.
Can you hear me clearly?
Yes. Yes, honey, I'm hearing you.
I will not chase you away. I will deny you access of going out from today.
Hey.
You will be in this house for good 1 month without going out.
Babe.
You will not press phone. You will not make call. You will not answer call. You will never touch anything phone in this house for good 1 month. Now go upstairs. I said go.
Okay. Babe, now.
Hey, John. Hey, come back here. Hey. coming to the room to tell you further things.
Thank you.
How do you feel? What kind of woman are you? I said, go up, stop moving at me like a moron. Idiot. Can you imagine? Someone, I am working tirelessly every day to put food on her table, provide for her.